Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Fitville Wide Pickleball Shoes. Fitville sneakers are made especially for those with wider feet, allowing your toes freedom of movement and a more comfortable experience no matter where your shoes take you during the day. With new design casual tennis shoes, simple and straightforward, full coverage of functional attributes required for sports, suitable for daily leisure sports. Fashionable mesh and super soft microfiber rubber. Anti-odor technology and breathable material. The interior of the shoe uses a high-tone insole ortholite material to add cushioning and provide extra support. Durable dual density PA material and anti-torsion fusion rubber active shock absorbers and enhance stability, allowing you to play your best with the principle. The enhanced non-slip design enables you to walk and play tennis freely with all kinds of surfaces. Number 2 on this best pickleball shoes list is K-Swiss Express Light Pickleball. K-Swiss Express Light Pickleball was created to give players a comfortable, lightweight, breathable shoe that supports on-court performance and endurance training. It is an all-around shoe, perfect for the new and frequent players. Included on the shoe is the K-Swiss Pickleball logo and customized pickleball sock button. Ideal for hardcore and clay court playing surfaces. Work out in supportive comfort with skilled pickleball courts. Featuring Goodyear rubber outsoles that deliver enhanced traction for indoor and outdoor court play. These tennis shoes feature a relaxed fit with an adjustable mesh up front for a comfortable grip. Breathable athletic mesh up until the tasty sounds. Our third choice is Thomas Men's tennis shoes with feet. The upper is made of a breathable mesh material as well as full leather for lightweight comfort and durability. Careful lines are found between solid wood technology ensures the shoe will play an excellent performance in sports. Strong and durable. The unique pattern design of the sole helps you prevent skid during exercise, while retaining the elasticity and softness of the sole to ensure that it fits the feet during exercise. The inside of the shoe is filled with rich sponge, so that the feet can enjoy a rounded and comfortable fit during exercise. Specially selected lightweight sponge padding reduces the weight of the shoe, thus reducing the burden on the feet. High-density outsole provides unsurpassed durability from heel to toe. Provides an extra line of defense against excessive toe dragging. The unique open cell structure of Ortho Light Foam creates a moisture management system, helping to move moisture away and provide a cooler, drier, healthier environment. Fourth pick in this best pickleball shoes list is New Balance Women's 608 V5. It's easy to be motivated to move when you have the all-day comfort of the 608 V5. The newest generation of this classic trainer features an enhanced absorb heel pad for premium cushioning and abundant outsole flex grooves for superior flexibility. This 608 V5 classic trainer features super soft cushioning and a durable rubber outsole to deliver the support and comfort your feet need on a daily basis. This shoe was designed with comfort perks like an oversized absorb heel crash pad, a durable molded poo insert and relaxed fit last. Plus, a suede and mesh upper delivers a snug fit and breathable comfort. New Balance is dedicated to helping athletes achieve their goals. It's been their mission for more than a century. It's why they don't spend money on celebrity endorsements. They spend it on research and development. It's why they don't design products to fit an image. They design them to fit. New Balance is driven to make the finest shoes for the same reason athletes lace them up. Our fifth and last choice is Asics Women's Gel Venture. This is very durable upper construction. Synthetic overlays are stitched into the breathable mesh upper in strategic areas for added support and durability. The outside of the heel hits the ground at an increased angle with minimal pronation, causing shock to the lower leg. You experience pressure on your outer toes. Your foot lands on the outside of the heel and then rolls inward, absorbing impact on the body. You experience even distribution from the front of the foot. Getting hurt is less likely due to effective shock absorption, but not impossible. Your foot lands on the outside of the heel and then rolls inward, transferring excess weight. shin splints, plantar fasciitis, bunions, heel spurs.